but he's made his way all the way into that corner, which doesn't help you much.
That's all right. Get in there before
Right in the corner, like in a tight wall in the corner.
Oh, yeah. Hey, champ. He's very lively.
He's quite a cool, yeah, he's moving pretty swiftly.
See how he's quite dark as well?
Yeah, okay. What does that mean?
Means he's about 3/4 of the way through the shed cycle. About 3/4.
Yeah, he's... Come stand over by the pool, I'll take a photo.
Yeah.
The team at work will love that you came out and got for it.
Yeah, he's full of beans, this fella.
Yeah. What's the rest of the family up to today?
Kate's out in the garden doing some weeding.
Yeah.
And Lukey's trailing her, I think.
Yeah, okay. Giving her
All right.
he's a weapon of a dude, eh?
He's pretty. There've been some big ones this year.
Yeah.
He's definitely healthy.
Yeah.
Probably a male.
Let's have a look. He is quite the something, eh?
Amazing, eh? Where they coexist with people.
Yeah.
I mean, you wouldn't think. You've obviously got lots of bushland and so forth around, but
Wow, he's cool.
now he's settled down a bit.
If we didn't have cats,
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
No.
And the trouble is they
Eat a fair bit, I imagine.
they can when they're over